Hello and welcome back to Home Go Time, your go-to destination for inspiration and ideas in home decor and design. Beautiful outdoor cooking spaces that blend rustic charm with modern flair. Outdoor cooking is more than just a trend. It's a way to create memorable moments with friends and family while enjoying the beauty of nature. A perfect outdoor cooking space balances rustic charm with modern functionality, blending natural textures like stone and wood with high-tech grills and sleek appliances. Whether you dream of a cozy fire pit, a built-in pizza oven, or a stylish outdoor kitchen, the right setup can transform your backyard into a culinary retreat. In this video, we'll explore stunning outdoor cooking spaces that bring warmth and practicality together. From rustic farmhouse setups with reclaimed wood countertops to modern outdoor kitchens with state-of-the-art features, we'll showcase designs that are both inviting and functional. Whether you have a spacious patio or a small backyard, these ideas will inspire you to create an outdoor cooking area that suits your lifestyle. Get ready to elevate your outdoor dining experience with a mix of rustic charm and modern flair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration.